The Hulongo Large Waterproof Insulated Cooler Backpack is a versatile and thoughtfully designed product that aims to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone looking for a reliable way to keep food and beverages cold on the go. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of what users like and dislike about this cooler backpack. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This cooler backpack is made from high-density, scratch-resistant nylon with an extra PU coating, making it 100% waterproof and easy to clean. Its lightweight design combined with adjustable padded straps ensures comfortable carrying, eliminating the bulk and inconvenience of traditional coolers. The backpack measures 17.7 by 12.2 by 7.9 inches and can hold up to 48 cans or approximately 30 liters of contents, making it spacious enough for a full day's outing. It features 2 insulated compartments to keep drinks cool and food dry, as well as multiple pockets including a large front pocket and 2 side pockets for snacks, phones, wallets, and other accessories. A bottle opener is also included for added convenience. One of the standout features is the exceptional heat retention. Thanks to thickened 8 mm foam insulation and an advanced silver PIVA seal, the backpack can keep items cool for up to 12 hours, which users have consistently confirmed, often reporting 8 to 10 hours of effective cooling. This makes it ideal for beach trips, picnics, camping, fishing, and grocery shopping. The insulation material is polystyrene foam, which contributes to its strong cooling performance. Users praise the backpack's sturdy and well-made construction. After frequent use over months or even a year, many report that the zippers remain strong and functional. The backpack's waterproof claim is generally confirmed by users, who appreciate that the exterior stays dry even when the interior is cold and wet. The leak-proof design utilizes a seamless hot pressing process and smooth horizontal zippers to prevent leaks, though a few users have noted occasional leakage around the zipper after extended use or heavy loading. Comfort is another positive aspect of the Hulongo Cooler Backpack. The padded straps and chest connector, once adjusted properly, provide a comfortable fit even when the backpack is fully loaded. Some users mention that it can be a bit challenging to put on when fully packed, especially for those who are shorter or less strong, but this is manageable by placing the backpack on a table first. The backpack is lighter than traditional coolers, making it easier to carry over short distances, such as from the car to a picnic spot or beach. The multiple compartments and pockets help with organization, allowing users to keep food, drinks, and accessories separate and easily accessible. The large front pocket and side pockets are useful for storing smaller items, and the backpack also includes places to hook or tie additional gear. Cleaning the backpack is straightforward due to its waterproof materials. Some users have expressed a desire for a drainage plug to release melted water without tipping the bag, which could enhance usability. Others have found the side handles less comfortable than the back handle, especially when carrying the backpack by hand rather than on the shoulders. Performance-wise, the backpack excels in keeping frozen water bottles mostly frozen for up to 8 hours, especially when not exposed to full sun. It is also effective for keeping sandwiches, snacks, and drinks cold throughout the day. The backpack works well for day trips, sports events, and casual outings. However, it may be too heavy for long hikes if fully loaded, as some users have noted. In terms of value, the Hulongo Cooler Backpack is considered excellent. It offers many features found in higher-priced models at a more affordable price point. Users who wanted a more economical alternative to premium brands like Yeti have been very satisfied with their purchase. The backpack is durable, functional, and designed to last with proper care. Overall, the Hulongo Large Waterproof Insulated Cooler Backpack is a highly recommended product for those who want a reliable, spacious, and comfortable cooler solution for outdoor activities. It combines effective insulation, waterproof materials, and thoughtful design to deliver a product that meets the demands of various users. While a few minor issues like occasional leakage and handle comfort have been reported, the majority of users find it to be a dependable and practical cooler backpack. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Use it to support the channel and help others find a cooler backpack that truly performs. If you own this backpack, please share your experience in the comments to assist future buyers.